Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel Genius World. In this video, I am going to tell about Republic Day speech. If you want to note down, please note it down after me. I'll give you few seconds to note it down. Let's start the video. Republic Day speech. Good morning, our chief guest, principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I am going to share few words on our Republic Day. This year we are celebrating our 74th Republic Day. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Republic Day. As we know that we all have gathered here on the very special occasion of our nation, which is called Republic Day. In the past 73 years, our country has gone through many changes. We are very proud to be an Indian and having our own national constitution, living in free India, celebrating the spirit of freedom fighters. We got our independence on 15th August 1947 from British rule. After independence, we don't have our laws and policies to conduct our nation in the best way. On this day, the Constitution of India come into force in the year 1950, and hence every year 26th January we are celebrating Republic Day. Indian Constitution is the largest written constitution in the world. India had become a democratic and secular country on this day. The Constitution gives us our fundamental rights. This day marks immense happiness and pride in every citizen of India. The tricolor flag hoisted makes us realize the sacrifice our freedom fighters. Today, let us pledge that we will not let the efforts of our great freedom fighters and soldiers go in vain and make our country a very happy and safe nation. I end my speech by paying my respects and tributes to those great revolutionaries. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you one and all. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.